Is falconry predation ethical? When we think about falconry, a fascinating question arises. Is falconry predation ethical? This practice involves training birds of prey, like falcons, to hunt other birds. To understand the ethics behind it, we need to look at how it affects bird populations and ecosystems. Falconry is often linked to capturing and training wild birds. This raises ethical concerns for many. However, supporters argue that falconry is highly regulated. There are strict guidelines in place to ensure that it does not harm bird populations. For instance, falconers usually capture young birds that have a high chance of dying in the wild. This suggests that taking one bird from the wild may not significantly impact the overall population. Now let's consider the impact on bird populations. Removing individuals from the wild can be seen as disruptive. Still, falconers argue that their method is not indiscriminate. Unlike other hunting practices, falconry targets specific, often weaker birds. This can help maintain the health of the overall bird population by allowing stronger individuals to thrive. Ethically, we must ask whether humans should interfere in natural predation processes. Falconry can be viewed as a form of artificial predation. However, it also mimics natural predator-prey dynamics. Birds of prey naturally hunt other birds, and falconry can be seen as an extension of this natural behavior, albeit with human involvement. Falconry is not just about hunting, it also serves practical purposes. For example, it can be used for bird control. By introducing a trained predator into an area, falconry can deter pest bird species without causing them harm. This method is considered environmentally friendly and effective because it taps into the natural fear that birds have of predators. From the perspective of the hunted birds, the presence of a trained bird of prey can be intimidating. This can disrupt their habitats. However, this fear response is a natural part of their survival instincts. The ethical question remains whether humans should exploit this fear for control purposes. In summary, the ethics of falconry predation depend on how we view human intervention in natural processes. While it can be seen as disruptive, it also mirrors natural predation and is highly regulated to minimize impact on bird populations. Understanding these dynamics can help us form a more informed opinion on the ethics of falconry.